Welcome to TBA Master. In this session, I will show you how to download and install the PostgreSQL 17 on Oracle Linux 9 OS, and then how to enable the basic configuration on your PostgreSQL server based on your Linux requirement. Open the browser, go to postgresql.org website. Click download. Choose Linux. Check your Linux OS version. Cat etc OS release. Oracle Linux Server 9.5. So click Linux. Choose Red Hat and select the version. Select the OS Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 and choose your operating system architecture 64-bit or 32 and copy and paste the entire scripts. But you are a DBA, you know the explanation of this script. First run this line. Open the Linux server and run, paste and run. Once install the repository file, verify your repository file cd etc m.repos.d and this one. Disable the PostgreSQL module, old modules. Finally, install the PostgreSQL server. Use this command. Once install the PostgreSQL server, verify your binary path cd user and verify the directory cd pgsql 17 and go to the bin directory, and this is your binary tools. Installation the database cluster, enable your service and start your PostgreSQL server. Copy and paste to putty. Check PostgreSQL server running or not. ps-ef grep postgres. This is your installation directory. Next, we need to change some basic configuration in your PostgreSQL server. So check your Linux requirement. Check your memory. Free -G. Currently 3 GB of RAM. Check your CPU core. Cat prog CPU info. So I have 2 core. So open the browser and go to pgtune website and choose this website and put your basic information, database version, OS type and web application or desktop application on your database front end application, and give your RAM and give your CPU, give your maximum connection and give your storage type. Click to generate. You got the parameter and values, and you directly change it to PostgreSQL.conf file, or you use alter system command just and copy and paste the script. So once you install the PostgreSQL server, the Postgres user automatically created in OS level. So set the password. su-postgres login to Postgres user and PSQL, it automatically connected to the server, and paste the alter system commands. Once run these commands, restart your PostgreSQL server. Use this command or use systemctl command. But this command need to run root user. Next we need to change connection parameter. Go to the PostgreSQL.conf file. And change the listen underscore addresses. Change localhost to star and save the PostgreSQL.conf file. But we need to restart the server. And next we need to jump entries on pghp config file. Open pg_hp.conf file and go to the last and enter your IP version 4 entry, host, and I need to connect all databases, and I need to use the user all users, and I need to connect from any OSs. So give your authentication method and save the PostgreSQL.conf file. So only you changes the PostgreSQL.conf file, you need to restart. Only you are changed the pghp config file entry, just reload the server. But in this scenario, I changed the PostgreSQL.conf file listen underscore addresses parameter, so need to restart the server. Next, try to connect from any other client tool to server. So open the pgAdmin 4 tool and try to connect this server. Go to pgAdmin 4 website, pgAdmin.org website, and choose Windows. Select the version, click the pgAdmin 4 9.6. Once download the exe file, click to run. Click to next, accept the agreement, click next, 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 click install. Click finish. Open the pgAdmin 4 tool. Once open the pgAdmin 4, click Add New Server, click Connection, give your PostgreSQL server host name and give your port and database and username and password also. Click to save. Currently, so we received the unable to connect the server. Change the Postgres user password in PostgreSQL server. So you have server. Thank you for watching this video.